Hi, I'm glad that the seed workshop in Manila is over, and I'm actually heading the fruit power project in the seed workshop in Manila, and I'm quite happy that the student actually took initiative to resolve some of the possible issue, right? Like polarity, and also they're able to make it like, all right, without me without me providing feedback to them. And I'm happy that they work very closely with teacher and collaborating quite well to able to get things done and meet their objective. And I believe this is a very good milestone for us for the very first seed workshop in Manila, and hopefully more to come and more school to be signed up in Manila itself or in Philippines in general. And I myself is that this year is the ninth year anniversary since I participated with seed since 2003 or 2002, right? And I do look forward to contribute more to seed long term in any countries possible. Thank you.